Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Half Lost here with another project here in the community of Collingwood. Now this project right behind me was a 1,000 square feet regular home which was completely redone right from the studs, and now it's a 3-bedroom up, 2-bedroom down, a luxurious bungalow. Let's go inside. Welcome to this open concept bungalow. Right here you have a seamless entertainment area with an electric fireplace with concrete tile backdrop and the beautiful kitchen with a 10-foot kitchen island. It's actually 10 foot by 4 foot, and we actually went ahead with the maple walnut design on the kitchen island and also on the hood fan. And one more feature that I want to talk about this kitchen, all the appliances here are KitchenAid. You have a 36-inch KitchenAid fridge, you have a KitchenAid dishwasher, and a gas cooktop, perfect for your morning cooking and morning breakfast. Also, just one more thing to add, you have a pot filler to make your morning tea or coffee. Alright, and then you have the kitchen island overlooking into your dining and living area and an open stairwell. Couple other features that I want to talk about this kitchen. You have, this might be called the upgraded version of Lazy Susan, but it's really fancy. You can stuff a lot of things right inside and really maximize that corner space storage, okay? And then you have one more cool thing, which is the roll-up pantry. All right, and then this is kind of standard. You have a built-in microwave and oven, again, KitchenAid appliances. Down the hallway, you'd find 2 bedrooms onto my right and then washroom and the master bedroom. And now we're in the master. This master features a walk-in closet, a 5-piece ensuite with a standalone tub and a standing shower with a rain shower head. And of course, my favorite part of this master bedroom is the view that you can get while sleeping in your bed. It's your backyard. Going down to the basement, first of all I want to talk about the stairs, which has a glass railing all throughout for this well, and the mid railing, which is kind of fancy. And in the basement you would find the 2 bedrooms, the bathroom, the entertainment area, and your laundry room. From your dining area, you have a small mudroom, and then you walk through the patio door onto this nice beautiful deck here in the backyard. Now this is a very spacious backyard. We have done a little gardening work for you to put your flowers and everything over there, and we also have a double car garage. And let's talk about the numbers. We bought this property for $630,000 off market, and we did a lot of work to this, and we'd be listing it at $1.1 to $1.15 million. And if you want to learn more about real estate or how I was able to do this project, feel free to DM me and we'll talk soon. See you, bye.